Why are ROS services essential for robot operating systems? Have you ever wondered how robots communicate so effectively? One key element in their operation is the Robot Operating System, or ROS, and specifically its services. So, why are these services so important? ROS services enable a special type of communication called synchronous request-reply. This means one part of the robot's software can ask another part for information and wait for a response. This is different from the asynchronous communication used by ROS topics, which sends data continuously without waiting for a reply. Imagine a robot that needs to turn on a motor. With ROS services, the software can send a request to turn on that motor and wait for confirmation that it is indeed on before moving to the next task. This is crucial for operations that need immediate feedback, like controlling movements or adjusting settings. At its core, ROS organizes robot software into modular units known as nodes. Each node has a specific job, such as processing sensor data or controlling motors. These nodes communicate using a messaging system that includes topics, services, and actions. Services stand out because they use a style of communication called remote procedure call. This allows one node to call a service from another node, wait for it to finish processing, and then receive a response. This synchronous interaction is vital for tasks that requiring confirmation before proceeding. For instance, a robot might need to move to a certain position and wait for confirmation that the movement is complete. This approach reduces uncertainty and boosts the reliability of the robot's actions. In the broader context of the Robot Operating System, which is a flexible and open-source framework, services complement other communication methods. While topics are great for continuous data streams like sensor readings, services handle specific operations that need a clear result. Moreover, ROS services help make robot software clearer and more robust. They define the types of messages sent and received, which helps developers create clear interfaces between different components. This clarity makes it easier to maintain and expand the system over time. In summary, ROS services are essential because they provide reliable and synchronous communication. This capability allows for precise control and coordination of robotic functions, which is fundamental for building responsive and maintainable robot applications. By using these services, developers can create more effective and efficient robots that perform complex tasks seamlessly.